of the match. I'm handing over this mic to him. Govind will say a few words about the the, the progress of the match. MW won the toss and chose to field first. Yes, Govind, over to you.
अरे आप करो ना यहाँ पर मैं तुषार पांचाल जी का बहुत ही धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा। बहुत बढ़िया तरीके का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया है यहाँ पर उन्होंने। बिफोर वी ब्रेक फॉर लंच
Last match before we break for lunch, Maratha Warriors versus Delhi Capitals. An interesting analysis. Maratha Warriors, both teams have won first two matches of theirs. जो टीम खेल नहीं रही है, they can proceed for lunch. Players who are sitting outside the ground, they can proceed for lunch. Maratha Warriors versus Delhi Capitals. Vivek and Saini Saab. Saini Saab का नाम? Maratha. CSK won. MW won the toss and elected to field first. Siddesh. Siddesh is the bowler. Arun Saini is on non-strikers end. Arun Saini. Siddesh. Ball one. Good shot. That's out. That's out. No confusion about it. That's out. Bad luck. The batsman run out of luck now. That was a very good shot for 4 runs, but it hit the bat of the non-strikers. Went back to the wicketkeeper. It was a no ball or no ball 2D. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. No ball, 2 runs. 2 runs. Very good shot through the covers for 2 runs. Good shot for 2 runs. Cover drive. After 3 balls, 5 runs, 1 wicket. Siddesh. Good shot for 2 runs again. Siddesh needs to change his bowling strategy now. Ball number 5. That's wide. Bowler under pressure now. You can see the nervousness on his face. Ball number 5. It was a wide ball. One D. Last ball of the over. Siddesh. Finally, a dot ball. 9 runs coming of the first over. Siddesh, the star bowler, conceded 9 runs. Got 1 wicket, luckily. Ganesh Sakpal, 9 runs, 9 runs. Ganesh Sakpal will bowl second over of first inning. You can see some golf players here. Wide ball. Got lucky this time. Got a wide ball. Flighted delivery. Wide ball. Out. Star player Raj is on strike now. Raj won 2 matches for his team. Is playing third now. Captain Ganesh Sakpal will ball the second over. Ball number 3. Beautiful shot for 4 runs. That's a signature shot. A tap shot going for 4. The most effective shot of the tournament so far. Ganesh bowling 4th ball of the over. One more tap, bringing single 1D. Two D is turning out to be the most successful batsman of the tournament. Last ball of the second over. 2D. Well played. 20 runs after 2 overs. 20 runs. 9 runs coming off the last 4 balls. Well played, Raj. Aniket has scored 7 runs off 6 balls. No ball. Should have left it. Considered 1 extra run, 1 extra ball. 2D. Wilder should be smart enough to hear the signals from the umpire. 1D, misfield. 1D, Sachin Salvi, misfield. That ball came to the commentary box, throwing his wicket away. That's out. Captain of DC team, Harendra Vishwakarma, on strike. Needs to cement his position as a captain. Ball number 5. Good tap for 1 run. Yes. Good shot for 1 run. Off the strike. Raj, the star player of the tournament so far, followed by Rakesh. Good shot for, yes, 1+1. 1+1, 2 runs coming off the last ball. 1 overthrow. 27. 27 runs. You need to be more vigilant now. Can't concede 27. Last over will be bowled by Akshay. Some instruction from wicketkeeper Dinesh. Akshay, bowling the 4th over the first inning. Good fielding. .1. Ball number 2, 4th over. Good shot for 2 runs. 2D. He's always ready to come out of this crease. That's out. Bat was in the air. Yes. He got out. Stumped out. Wicket. Out. Ball count नहीं होगा. 30 runs, 2 balls. Last ball was wide. Stumped out. That's out. Good shot. He was playing for overarm cricket. Forgot that he is playing the underarm cricket. It's a box cricket. Throwing his wicket away. सत्तू गया, सत्तू सत्तू आउट हो गया. अरे इसका नाम बोल, किरण. किरण. ऋषि. ऋषि. Rushi. One more Rushi. Rushi got out before we could catch the name of the last ball. Last ball of first inning. 30 runs after 6 wickets. Satish. My God. Good shot. Satish wanted to play more. He never knew it was a last ball. Got run out. 30 runs, 31 required. The batsman doesn't know whether this was a last ball or not. बैट्समैन भूल गए थे कि लास्ट बॉल है कि नहीं है. बहुत ज्यादा खेलना चाह रहे थे. नेक्स्ट बॉल, दूसरा बॉल भी खेलने वाले थे. गुड बैटिंग परफॉर्मेंस बाय DC team. 30 runs, 31 to win. Good batting by Raj again. 13 runs scored by Raj. Aniket 10 runs. Arendra scored 1 run. 3 wickets taken by Akshay More. Ganesh, Kiran, Siddesh got 1 each. Arendra. DC team is confident of winning this match without much hurdles, but they should know they are facing the side who has not lost a match so far. 31 to win. 31 to win. 31 to win. Fielder putting pressure on captain. Captain is not able to take a call. Sattu. Kiran is on strike. Akshay is on non-strike. Aniket bowling the first over. Ball number 1. Here you go. That was a jadu shot. ग्राउंड से सब कुछ क्लीन करते हुए केवल बॉल के अलावा सब काम हो गया था. बॉल नंबर 2. नो बॉल. 1D. 1 बॉल 1+1. नो बॉल. पहला बॉल वाइड था. 0 बॉल. फर्स्ट वाज वाइड, सेकंड वाज नो बॉल. 3 रन्स. गुड बॉल. गुड स्पिन. Aniket spinning the ball. No ball again. Bat was in the air. No ball, run out is out. Ball will also be counted, yes. 4. No ball. No ball. Good call. Umpire. They were out. Out. Already crossed. The batsman on strike will lose his wicket because they have they crossed it. That's run. 6 runs. Sorry, 6 runs. Good shot for 2 runs. Siddesh got 2 runs. 22 required of 2 overs. 3 overs, sorry. 8 runs. Hello. Hello. Batsman captain for 1 run. Good shot for 2 runs. Super fast. Went past everything. Came at the rocket speed. Batsman looks very angry now. Two. He was on the line. Fielding. Good fielding by Aniket. Siddesh on strike. Tap for 1 or 2. 1 run. 1 run. Siddesh on strike again. Slow delivery. He was expecting a faster delivery. काफी स्लो रखा था बॉलर ने. Smart bowler. 15 runs after 2 overs, 4 wickets. 16 रन चाहिए 12 बॉल पे. स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ 8. सत्तू इज अ स्टार बॉलर. सत्तू तीसरा ओवर डालेंगे दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का. Some confusion in the fielding. Fielder is afraid of bowling coming to him. Fielder को फिर से उसी पोजीशन पे लगाया है जहां से उसको डर लग रहा है. Sattu, ball number 1 of 3rd over. Came to the commentary box. 4 runs. Very good tap. Batsman yet again. 1 more 4. Sattu is clueless. How is hitting fours? He's dealing in boundaries now. 2 fours of last 2 balls. Ball number 3. That's a wide. Not out. Very ambitious appeal by the wicket keeper, Raj. 9 runs of 2 balls. First 2 balls. 7 required of 10 balls. 7 required of 10 balls. The equation changed completely. The batsman looks angry. We were expecting this. A series of boundary. Sattu is clueless. The bowler is clueless. How to deal with it? 3 runs required of 9 balls before we break for lunch. One more wide. So this is turning out to be the most expensive over of the tournament. One more ball. Oh, they won it. The batsman single-handedly won this match for his team. Maratha Warriors coming out victorious. 24 runs scored by Kiran, and man of the match goes to Kiran. 24 runs. The angry young man